Hello guys, welcome back to Fusion 306 tutorial. We'll make the housing of this DC motor. Okay, let me hide these components. Go to assembly, select new component. The name here will be housing. The parent here is this component, press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 6.15 millimeters of diameter and create another one with 20 millimeters of diameter. Okay, we have this. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. This distance has 15 millimeters. Okay, now click here in this edge and click here in the circle, make this coincidence. Go to modify, select trim, cut here and cut here. We have this. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select all this profile. The direction here is symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 19 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to fillet, select this edge here and this edge. The fillet here is 1.7 millimeters. Go here, add selection set. Select this edge here and this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge here. The fillet here is 1.25 millimeters and press OK. We have this. OK. Show the sketch 1 again. Go to extrude, select this circle here. The start here will be object, and the object is this face. And the distance here minus 1.75 millimeters. Press OK. Operation join. Hide the sketch 1. We have this. OK. Now go to modify, select fillet. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 1.5 millimeters. No, sorry, 1 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select the shell. Select this face here and select this face here. The inside thickness is 0.375 millimeters. We have this and press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Go to 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. The rectangle here is 22 by 1.5 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. Okay. The operation here is cut and the distance here is minus 1.5 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to inspect and select section analysis. The cut plane here will be the top plane. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create and select the top plane. Select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here. Okay. Now go here, go to create, select the project, include project, select this edge here, press OK. Select line, click here in this point, make a line here with 0.25 millimeters. Okay. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 0.75 millimeters. And here, click here in the center of this arc and this edge here. Make this horizontal vertical constraint. Select line. Make a line here with 1.25 millimeters. Go to constraint, select tangent. Select this line here and this arc. Okay. Now select the sketch dimension. The angle between this line here and this line here is 16 degrees. Okay. We have this. Go to surface, select revolve, select this profile here. Let's hide the analysis. The axis is this construction line here. Okay. The extended type here is to object. Select this edge here and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create and select thicken. Select this face here. The thickness 0.375 millimeters. One side. Operation join. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to solid here. Go to create. Select mirror. The object type is the features and the object is the sticking. The mirror plane, select this plane here, the top plane, and press OK. We have this. Go to mirror again. The features, select the thicken, hold Ctrl on the keyboard and select the mirror. The mirror plane is the front plane here and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select a circle, make a circle here with 1.5 millimeters of diameter. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 5 millimeters. And now click here in the constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and the midpoint here. Okay, finish the sketch, go to extrude. The profile is this circle here. Operation here will be cut, distance all. Just flip this and press OK. We make this cut here. Okay. Now go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Go to create, select the project, include project. Select this face here. Press OK. Let me hide this body here. Now select the rectangle, center rectangle. Make a rectangle here, 2 millimeters by 4 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in the midpoint and this point here. Go to sketch dimension, click here in this point and this line here. The distance here is 3 millimeters. Let me show the body here. We have this. Finish the sketch, show the body. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The direction here, symmetric. The operation, cut. The extended type, all. And press OK. We make this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Okay. Go to create, select the project, include the project. Select this arc here and this arc here and press OK. Let's hide this body. We have this. Okay. Select the arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this point and this point here. Make an arc here and create another arc here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 2.9 millimeters. And here is 2.9 millimeters too. Finish the sketch. Show the body. Okay. We have this. Go to create, select loft. Hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select all this profile here. Okay. And now select this profile. And operation join, press OK. Make this. Okay. Now go to create, select mirror. The object is the loft. My fusion is with an error. I don't know why, but that's okay. And the mirror plane is this plane here. The left plane, okay? Left and right plane. And press OK. We make the same to this side, okay? We have this, okay. Okay, we have this. Here we finish our exercise, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.